Crowned hornbills are a group of large, colorful birds belonging to the Bucerotidae family. These birds are primarily found in the rainforests and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. The term crowned hornbill typically refers to the species Toccus alboterminatus, which is also known as the crowned hornbill or crowned hornbill. It's important to note that the term crowned hornbill may refer to different species depending on the region or context, as there are several species within the Toccus genus. Each species may have specific characteristics and behaviors adapted to its particular environment. The most notable feature of the crowned hornbill is its unique crown of black and white feathers on the head. The crown resembles a headdress and gives the bird its name. The body of the crowned hornbill is generally black, with white markings on the wings and the white belly. The bill is long and curved, with a casque on top. The casque is a hollow structure on the upper part of the bill. In the crowned hornbill, the casque is relatively small compared to some other hornbill species. Crowned hornbills are large birds, with an average length of about 60 to 70 centimeters. They have broad wings, which enable them to navigate through the forest canopy. The tail is relatively short and rounded. The weight of crowned hornbills can vary among individuals and populations, but they are generally considered to be medium to large-sized birds. On average, adult crowned hornbills typically weigh between 900 grams to 1,200 grams. In many hornbill species, including the crowned hornbill, there is minimal sexual dimorphism in terms of physical appearance. Both males and females generally have similar plumage and size. Crowned hornbills are social birds and are often seen in pairs or small family groups. They engage in social interactions, including mutual preening and displays of bonding. Crowned hornbills are strong flyers with broad wings. They are capable of agile flight between trees and within the forest canopy. Crowned hornbills are generally social birds, and they are often seen in pairs or small family groups. They may engage in social interactions, including mutual preening and other displays of bonding. Crowned hornbills produce a series of deep, resonant hooting calls. These calls can be heard over long distances and are often used for communication between individuals. In addition to hooting, crowned hornbills are known to produce cackling or laughter-like sounds. These calls may serve various purposes, including communication within a family group. When members of a family group or pair need to stay in contact, they may use softer contact calls. These calls help them communicate while foraging or moving through the forest. Hornbills, including the crowned hornbill, are known for a behavior called bill clattering. This involves the rapid snapping or clattering of the bill, often accompanied by head movements. Bill clattering is believed to be a form of communication between mates or individuals and may play a role in reinforcing social bonds. When there is a potential threat, crowned hornbills may produce alarm calls to alert others in the group. These calls can vary in intensity and may serve to coordinate defensive responses. It's important to note that the vocalizations of crowned hornbills can be influenced by various factors, including the time of day, social context, and environmental conditions. The calls are distinctive and help these birds communicate in their dense forest habitats. Fruits make up a significant portion of the crowned hornbill's diet. They feed on a variety of fruits, often plucking them from trees or picking them off the forest floor. Fruits provide essential nutrients and energy. In addition to fruits, crowned hornbills also consume a variety of insects. They may catch insects in flight or forage for them on tree branches or in the vegetation. Crowned hornbills are known to eat small vertebrates, including small mammals, reptiles, and birds. This can include catching and consuming small rodents, lizards, or even the eggs of other birds. Some hornbill species, including the crowned hornbill, play a role in seed dispersal. After consuming fruits, they may excrete seeds in different locations, contributing to the spread of plant species. Berries and small plants may also be part of the crowned hornbill's diet, especially if they provide nutritional value. Like many bird species, hornbills need access to water for drinking and bathing. Areas with reliable water sources, such as rivers, ponds, or waterholes, can attract hornbills. Large raptors, such as eagles and hawks, are potential predators of crowned hornbills. These birds of prey may target both adult hornbills and their chicks. Snakes, especially arboreal and tree-climbing species, can pose a threat to hornbill eggs, chicks, and even adult birds when they are nesting in tree cavities. Certain mammals, including arboreal carnivores and tree-climbing predators, may pose a threat to hornbills. Examples include arboreal carnivores like civets, as well as primates and larger mammals that can access nests. Monitor lizards are known to raid bird nests for eggs and chicks. If a nest is not well protected, monitor lizards may prey on hornbill eggs. While not natural predators in the ecological sense, human activities can pose threats to crowned hornbills. Habitat destruction, logging, and hunting can negatively impact hornbill populations. In certain situations, other bird species may pose a threat to hornbill nests or compete for resources. This can include species that are nest predators or competitors for food. Changes in the environment, such as deforestation, climate change, and alterations to natural habitats, can have indirect negative effects on hornbills. Loss of suitable nesting sites, reduced food availability, and altered ecological dynamics can impact hornbill populations. Crowned hornbills are cavity nesters, which means they nest in natural tree hollows. The female selects a suitable tree cavity for nesting, often in large, mature trees. During the nesting period, the female seals the entrance of the nest cavity using a mixture of mud, droppings, and food remains. This is a protective measure to keep potential predators away and create a secure environment for incubating eggs and raising chicks. The female enters the sealed nest cavity to lay eggs and incubate them. The male assists by bringing food to the female through a small opening in the sealed nest. After the eggs hatch, both parents are involved in feeding and caring for the chicks. The female may break the seal to allow the male to provide food for the growing chicks. The diet of crowned hornbills may vary during the breeding season. The parents focus on providing a varied and nutritious diet for the growing chicks. This diet includes fruits, insects, small vertebrates, and other suitable prey. Hornbills, including crowned hornbills, communicate vocally during the breeding season. Distinctive calls are used for various purposes, such as reinforcing pair bonds, establishing territory, and coordinating activities. Crowned hornbills are often seen in family groups, especially during the breeding season. The family unit may include the breeding pair and their offspring from previous years. Outside the breeding season, crowned hornbills may gather in communal roosts, where multiple individuals or families rest together. This behavior may serve social and protective functions. The breeding frequency of crowned hornbills can vary. They may raise one or more broods in a breeding season, depending on factors such as food availability and environmental conditions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.